How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake. I'm with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Cardano ADA, one of my personal favorite coins. Today we actually have a analytics firm showing flashing green signals for ADA, so we may see some bullish sentiment in the market. After we go over that, I'm going to be taking a look at the Trade Confident metrics and indicators, as well as how to get them at the end of the video. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel, and if you want to stay updated, please subscribe. We provide daily crypto content, education, and analysis for you guys. With that in mind, let's jump into the news. Cardano ADA is showing surge signs as vital metric flashes green, analytics firm Sentiment. Crypto analytics firm Sentiment says that the average funding rate of Cardano is flashing a bullish signal. According to Sentiment, a high funding rate is associated with higher risks of correction, whereas ADA currently has the opposite. Cardano's price is back over 50 cents and up 25% in the past 10 days. Exchange funding rates are a vital metric to keep an eye on, as the extreme spikes in shorting or longing of ADA is typically when traders get liquidated and price shifts occur. Right here we can see the chart that they're talking about and how the surge signs happened with a 25% move up in the past 10 days. Right here the green line is the price itself, whereas the pink line is the average funding rate for ADA. As you can see here, where ADA shorts were liquidated, we tended to see large moves up, and the opposite was true of the longs. We saw on long liquidated trades, we saw big moves down. Most recently, ADA shorts were liquidated again, and we saw a price surge immediately after that. With that in mind, there is generally bullish sentiment in the market according to the analytics firm Sentiment. Jumping into the metrics, we agree. Right now, ADA, after a move down, ADA is showing a 70% chance of a move up. Typically, we're not looking for those big moves until we hit at least 80%, if not higher. Once we hit that, that's where we're going to expect to see a big move up. Right now, we're printing 70, which is pretty bullish overall, but it may take a couple days before we see any movement. Long trades are also slowly rising, whereas short trades haven't moved. They've mostly plateaued, so this is a generally bullish signal as well, although this is a more long-term signal than short. Taking a look at the indicators for Trade Confident, we have the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow in their very low red sections. On top of that, the trend dashboard is printing red triangles all across the board. This means all 6 of the main indicators that people tend to use are bearish. When we hit these bottoms, this is typically where we're looking for our moves up. As you can see here, there has been multiple support and resistance lines. We just surpassed this line of support after hitting a double top on this trend line right here. In response to this and breaking out under, we are seeing a move back up. We have a green printed candle right now at about 45 cents. We do expect moves up overall pretty soon here, although the move is likely to be somewhat small. If we take a look at the one-day chart, we're seeing almost the exact opposite story with the exception of the trend dashboard. Right here, the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow are actually higher up. The way I like to think about it is with the Trade Confident indicators, we typically see price moves happen within 1 to 6 candles of an indicated move. So on the 4-hour chart over here, that means we're expecting a move up within the next 4 to 24 hours, which is 1 to 6 candles. As you can see, we're on the first candle and it's already happening. So it actually started back here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so we're on the 6th candle and finally seeing that move up as soon as the trend exhaustion had passed into the red territory. Likewise, on the one-day chart, if they're printing opposite, the way I like to think about it is the 4 hours is going to play out first. We're going to see that move up indicated here within 4 to 24 hours. Then, if we move over to the 1 day, since this is printing bearish, it's more likely that we're going to see moves down over the next 1 to 6 days. So on the 4 hour, we'll see a quick move up followed by a likely larger move down. Right here, we have multiple points of support to look at. All of these are through like a separate channel right here. We stayed within a big channel within these yellow lines with the outskirts moving out like this. Right here we have a double top signal on this line of resistance, which shot the move back down. If we see moves up, I think at the very least we're going to hit this yellow line, if not the white line right here, but I don't think it's going to go much past that. More likely overall, we're going to see a bearish scenario where we're going to hit the bottom yellow line, possibly followed by the white yellow line of support right here around 40 cents. We will keep everyone updated on this as the chart progresses. I really like ADA for the long term too, honestly. I think it has really, really good fundamentals. It has a lot of projects that are working on the chain already. It is fully decentralized, and we're already seeing a lot of use cases for it. So I personally really like ADA, and it's one of the coins that I'm willing to trade through the bear market. But that is my own personal opinion. This is not trading advice. It is up to you. Do your own research. Not financial advice. I just personally really like ADA, and this is going to be one of the coins I'm going to be holding long term. If you'd like to try a trade with us, head over to tradeconfident.io/metric charts. Right here, we actually provide the Bitcoin metrics and trade setups for free. So if you want to try a trade with us, please feel free. If you enjoy that, if you make some profits, make some good money, and you want to learn more, head over to the membership options page on tradeconfident.io/pricing and scroll down. You'll see the trade setups and whale metrics and institutional grade metrics for $95 a month. This will give you access to our top 16 coins along with our Telegram, masterclass educational courses. You get to talk to people in our community chat. You'll get to see our trade setups and urgent market updates in the inside tips page, along with our monthly Inner Circle Zoom coaching meetings every single month. We just had that on July 21st. It was a great time, and we hope to see you in the next one as well. If you want to try out the indicators, head over to tradeconfident.io/indicators at the top here. These are separate from our $95 a month. They are a lifetime access, one-time payment transaction. With the bundle pack here, you get all 9 of Trade Confidence indicators just for the price of the 3 that you saw in today's video: the trend dashboard, trend exhaustion, and price versus well money flow. These are our top 3 indicators, but with the bundle pack, you get all 9 of them for less than the price of these top 3. Again, if you're interested, head over to tradeconfident.io/indicators and grab them today. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.